Hi, welcome to Some More Magic on my channel. One promise I always make my students is I will teach them at least 2 ways of doing a particular concept. I then leave the choice to them. Once you know both the methods, you choose the one you want to go with. So to that extent, I'm going to show you an alternate method of dividing numbers. Let's take a small number first. Let's take 672, and if I want to divide this by 3, right? Now in this method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the whole number 672 and see how many times does 3 fit into that number. Now the clue here is 6. I know 3 2s are 6. I can go with this. 3 into 200 is 600. What is the remainder here? 72, right? Again, now I'm going to look at this 72 as a whole and see how many times does 3 go into 72. What is the closest I can get? If I do 3 20s are 60, that should work. So I'm going to write the 20 here. 3 into 20 is 60 and 12. And then 3 goes how many times into 12? 3 4s are 12. I'm not left with a remainder. And what is my answer to this division is 224. The same answer I would have got even if I divided it using the usual, the house method, right? But see if you find this easier. We'll try a couple of more examples. Let's try a slightly bigger number, 4524, and let me divide it by 4. Now again, what am I going to do? Look at the whole number. It's a 4,000 something. I'm going to multiply 4 by 1000, which gives me 4,000. What is the remainder? 524. Now how many times will 4 go into this 500? Yes, I will do it with I will multiply it by 100, which gives me 400. What is the remainder? 124. 4 will go how many times? Now I can take 4 20s, 80. I can take 4 30s, 120. Whatever you are comfortable with, ultimately you will get the same answer. I will go with 4 into 30 is 120. What is the remainder I'm getting here? 4. 4 will go 1 time into 4, which leaves me with no remainder. By the way, before I started this, I knew I will not have a remainder. How? Divisibility by 4. The last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So I knew that it will go completely into this number. Okay, and now what is my answer? I add these. This is 1, this is 3, this is 1, this is 1. An alternate method of doing things. Any new method, what I would say is give it a try at least 2-3 times. Then decide which way you find easier, this way or the usual regular house way, and then go with it. But if you're finding my videos useful, do give me a like, subscribe to my channel.